Sagamilete. First quarter, standing at the center.
Sample between
Sibilya.
number 11 and number 20.
Number 20. Ibiran. 28. Bulan Ibiran. Pasto Baldo.
Baldo. In and out. Bound by number
Dongga.
11.
John Lacanalya.
47.
To Bro Sigwan.
To Sigwan. Balikan mo rin kay City.
Agaw.
Intercept number 34. This ball pass to number 1. Ubaldo. Pull-up jump.
Pasok.
2 points.
By Ubaldo.
Sigwan. Pass to number 17. Nadunga. Balikan Sigwan. Pasa numero 40.
Tata. Lambrinto. Back to Sigwan.
Balikan Sigwan.
Sibilya. To Tata.
Pull-up jump.
Bang.
Ay. Rebound by number 12.
Tuloy-tuloy. Left hand. Wala. Rebound by Tata. Lambrinto. Muntik na maagaw. Junjun. Using the board. This ball pass to number 12.
Makawili.
Makawili.
Turn around.
Umihit.
Pick. Waray.
May foul. Makawili.
Foul committed by
Tumaga.
number 12.
Sigwan to Nadunga. Pumasok sa gitna. Lacanarya. Left-handed shot. Follows up by Sibilya. Nakuha ni
Rebound by
Sigwan.
number 14.
Natanggal
Intercept
ng
by
Baldo.
number 1.
Stepping on the line.
Sa labas na.
Tata.
Nakita number 30.
Bang! 3 points.
3 points.
Tata Lambrinto, 3 points. Rebound by Sigwan.
Number 14, Sigwan. Nasa numero 40 City. Binalik ng 14.
Tata.
Pull-up jump number 30. 4 points.
Back-to-back points by Tata.
Barangay 13.
Takbuan Lugaw. Bulan 13.
Number 14. Easy para mag-shoot. Jis para mag-shoot. Nag-itsa na. Parit pa ka-shoot.
Nice follow-up.
Put back by number 34. Up Iberan.
Nadunga.
Easy para mag-itsa.
Bang! Patay.
Jis para mag-itsa.
Jump ball.
May jump ball.
Bola. Barangay 13.
Lacanarya. Rebound number 40 City.
Traveling. By referee Babab.
Baldo, pull-up jump.
Yes.
2 points.
Baldo.
Labaw na itong Iberan. Minutos 3 segundos.
Sibilya.
Termination 40.
Padjay.
Isang ikaw.
Nice.
Time out. Barangay 13.
Sa labas.
Score 8-5. Iberan. Number 34. Pass to number 1. Pull up jump number 1. Air ball. Rebound by Barangay 30. Lambrinto.
Jump ball.
Sisi na baro kita. Easy para mag-shoot.
Makawili. Nag-pick.
This para mag-shoot.
Padjay. Bang!
Lucky bounce.
Lucky bounce by number
Ay
30.
number 28.
Number 28.
minutes. Is para mag-shoot. Cinco para mag-itsa. Shot clock violation. Wala pa kayo tamang ring. City City.
Stepping on the line. This is City first quarter. Barangay 3 versus Ibiran.
Quincy.
Tony Boy. Tonadonga.
Gis.
Gaitos. Bungo.
5.
Last 5 seconds. Pajay. That's the end of the ball game. First quarter.
Score. Partial score natin. This is City. Biran.
This is City in favor of Ibiran. That's the end of first quarter.